The DXA-CONNECT is a versatile audio accessory for DSLR cameras and camcorders. The Beachtek DXA-CONNECT has a 2-channel low-noise preamp with phantom power for connecting virtually any professional microphone or wireless system. The DXA-CONNECT easily mounts to the hot shoe of the camera. The unique bracket design has 4 sturdy mounting shoes and is ideal for attaching receivers, microphones, monitors, lights, or field recorders. The output lets you record to either a DSLR camera or camcorder that have monitoring capabilities, or for exceptionally high-quality audio recordings, directly to a portable field recorder such as the Adamus Ninja 2. A top handle can also be added to provide a convenient grip for your camera. Multiple mounting configurations provide plenty of versatility. The DXA-CONNECT features low noise preamps, 2 XLR inputs, phantom power, low, medium, high gain settings, dual level controls, and 4 mounting shoes. Beachtek, the audio adapter specialist.